Do you know how to grab them?
No.
Use your thumb. This way. Grab them. Grab them again. You grab them by the tail.
No, too slippery. I don't know how to do this.
You just grab them this way with your thumb this way. That way, yeah. Now lift them up and you hold them up. And you just use them as a, yeah, just like that.
Okay.
Good job, Mom. Now come over here and let's weigh it. Set her down there. 2 pounds.
Yep.
2 pounds. Good job. Pick them up again like that. There you go. And now, where's Dad's? Hang on. Where's his, oh, good job, Mom. One more time. Good job. Oh, that's okay. Don't worry about it. Hey, good job.
Good job.